Hey folks, coming to you. This is Riverponics doing an update from our last video. We're propagating seeds. This is day 5. Looks like all of them have popped except 3. That one right there hasn't popped, and these 2 haven't popped, but everything else has. Real nice. 5 days. We have the orchid moss, self-watering system. This is our Riverponics soilless mix, and that's recycled from last summer from outdoors when I was growing. So what I intend to do is, I'll pick one of these as a winner, right, to keep. Have a plant on here, full grown, where I can actually take cuttings from, and then I can propagate right here in the grow channel with it. It's like having a mother plant. So that'll be pretty cool. There's where you put your water, nutrients. This whole system, what you see here, comes as a whole unit. Runs on 23 watts. This is inline pump and air pump. You get 2 air stones, you get the reservoir, the grow channel. You get this lid. I can modify it any way you want. And then you can get the combo unit too, where you can swap out your lid and do full grown plants in here for minimal cost extra. But yeah, 5 days, that's impressive to have these plants, these little seeds already popped, and I didn't do anything. I didn't pre-soak the seed. I didn't put it in a napkin to get it started. I just dropped them in there. Now the soilless mixed with the wicks, I did top water initially just one time, but then after that you prime the wick and it don't need to be watered anymore. So you really don't have to do anything except add water or nutrients. And I just added very minimal amount of nutrients to this since they have popped. Other than that, I was just running water through here. So you can watch the first video and it explains how I do everything. That's real helpful. But yep, you can contact me through email, phone, or my website. And this is Astral Flowers too. I'm sorry, I about forgot. Sorry, Juan. But those are his seeds right here. And his YouTube handle is Manadita de Plata. So sub him up, check him out. Thanks for watching.